remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create Asian-inspired noodles with shredded beef, easy noodles, and this is going to be very simple. I have some green onions. Let me cut some of that because I'm going to need it. And we're going to have some fun with this, okay? We're going to have a lot of fun. And I think about 2 will be sufficient for me, maybe 3. Don't worry what they fall. I have a small cutting board because I want to have enough space for the camera. Just cut some of the green stuff too. Very simple. If you want to add some spice to your life, get a jalapeno pepper and just cut it into thin rounds. I like to leave this stuff in the middle because I want it hot and spicy. Cast iron. Heat. You can use any type of pan, but I'm going with the cast iron. Medium high heat. You can use any type of oil, but I'm going to go with coconut oil. Just coconut. Let me use that, huh? Preheat this baby. Make sure this is hot. Because what you're going to do now, you're going to cook your shredded beef. I'm not going to put any salt or anything like that in my shredded beef because I'm going to use some ingredients with this soup that's going to add the salty flavor already. So I don't want to make it too salty. This is shredded meat. I bought it like this. People use it for sandwiches and stuff. This is not going to take a long time. Just a little bit of time, that's it. It's going to cook fast, so you have to be ready. Going to fry cook in less than 2 minutes overall. You can add a little bit of soy sauce, just a little bit, few drops. But no salt or anything like that. See how fast it cooks? Get it out, put it in a different container, and let it rest for a little bit. I have about 6, let's make it 8 cups of water. High heat. You want to get this baby boiling, like hot, before you add anything else. About a minute or so later, you're going to see some bubbles at the bottom. That means that's very hot. Add some rice noodles, the thin ones, because you're going to cook these babies. You're going to let this baby cook. I like them when they're long and nice. You're going to let them soften, cook well, boil. But as you do that, I have 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Not the low sodium, the regular sodium soy sauce. And I'm going to add it here too. You're going to give this a taste because later, not now. Because you want to make sure that the salt content is to your taste. See, the soy sauce darkened the soup. what is going to be the soup. And you're going to let this go for a few minutes, you know, not a lot. Let it boil a little bit, and then you're going to reduce the heat. If the soup or the water, the broth, doesn't have the amount of sodium that you want, you can add some salt to your taste. You have to go crazy, you have to do your taste, okay? Starting to boil. So what I'm going to do is, this is optional. This is called sumac, ground sumac, S-U-M-C, optional. I like it because it adds the lemon type flavor. It's a unique taste. And this is an Asian inspired soup, so I'm going to add a teaspoon of it to add the nice, zesty taste. In fact, let me do two teaspoons, la regular teaspoons. And you're going to mix things a little bit. This is almost ready. Didn't take me not even 5 minutes. And what I'm going to do now, going to reduce the heat to medium. I'm going to add something else first before I add. Actually, let me add this now. And then I add 2 eggs that I scramble. And I'm going to add them now, right in the middle. This is not going to take a long time. You have to, don't move it too much, just make sure it's a little stir. It's almost done. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Now that you added the eggs, so the eggs cook. Medium heat, but it's still very hot. And I'm going to add the jalapenos too.